feeling myself. Girl, what? I'm just trying to find my legs. I can't find it. Girl, ain't nobody gonna be able to tell me nothing. Like, girl, this is sickening. Sickening. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Tierra J back with another wig slay. So y'all can see this slay I have today. I cannot wait to get into it because you guys, I have found the ultimate plug for like the perfect lace, the perfect hairline, the perfect pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-tinted, all of that wig. Like, girl. Today's video is brought to you by Geniuswigs. I am so glad I gave Geniuswigs a try. I am like really kind of leery about like trying out new wig companies. Y'all see the same like hair companies circulating my channel, so I was a little bit nervous about trying like a new wig company and bringing, you know, a review for y'all. But when I say we will not regret this one here, I found like the plug for y'all, like for real, the plug with this wet and wavy girl. Yeah, she is a little bit of wet, she's a little bit of wavy. I'm so excited to share with y'all this wig, share with y'all this slay tutorial on how I melted, honey, how she melted this lace effortlessly, and just give y'all all the details about this wig. All the details to this hair, this company is down below in the description box, so make sure you go check it out. And let's go ahead and jump into this. Let's just jump into it. Let's get it, okay? So Geniuswigs has these bomb wet and wavy units. They send them to you like kinky straight. I love the straight texture. Y'all know I love me some like kinky yaki straight hair, so I would definitely rock it like this. But once you spray it, wash it, you know, with water or whatever, instantly turns into this beautiful curl pattern. This is a pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-tinted wig. This is my first time ever trying a pre-tinted wig, and look at that. Like the tone on it was just absolutely beautiful. I didn't have to use no sprays, I didn't have to do no bleaching, nothing, no makeup whatsoever. Everything about this lace just came perfect and ready to go. So this hair was really easy to turn wavy. I didn't even have to wash it. I didn't really have faith in it. I'm like, I'm gonna have to wash this wig to get the curls popping. No, as soon as I start spraying just water, no product, you saw these curls popping like instantly. So I was really impressed by that. Just how the waviness came into effect. Straight to wavy was just like instant. Like, this is definitely that vacation hair. Okay, we're approaching springtime, even though Corona is trying to hold us back, you know what I'm saying? We might not be able to do too much this year, but you know what I'm saying? It's the perfect like vacation hair. Like, if you jump in some water, it's gonna like instantly curl up and give you this pretty, just natural, like, oh, that's her hair. You get you some glue, you know what I'm saying, that is waterproof. Oh, we in there. So as y'all can see, this texture was pretty straight after it being wet, no product. I really didn't have to add anything to it, but I did add some of my Nairobi foaming wrap lotion. I love this stuff. I got it from the Bronner Brothers show, and it is just, it's a really good like hold on it. I put on my foaming wrap lotion and it was wet and everything, I let it air dry. I let it air dry for like maybe 2 days until I got some time to put it on or whatever. Time for the install. I installed it with my little ear tab thingy things. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go back and watch it. But I found this new technique for myself where I can leave out my natural hair on my ears so them ear tabs don't be itching, and girl, it is such a lifesaver. And I'm definitely gonna be doing this type of install with all my future wigs. So I just pull out like some hair around my ears where I know I don't want that lace touching, so I just leave out that little area. Then I proceed to install the wig like normal. So I put the wig on just to see how everything is looking. That match, girl, that tint, it was just like perfect to my skin. I just still couldn't believe that. Once I adjusted them straps, I put it on, and you could really get like a glueless melt with this wig. Like, it was so snug, so perfect. And I decided to go ahead and melt it down because I will be wearing this wig for maybe like a few days. So we're gonna go ahead and melt it down, do our little gel melt. Easy peasy, y'all already know the drill. I do have like a new way of doing it. It's not new new to everybody else, but I, you know, new to me. I make 2 vertical cuts in the lace, that way I can work in sections. And y'all, this has changed the game for me. It just makes it so much easier to like melt your lace. So then you just want to flip the lace back or whatever and apply your melting situation, whether you're using glue or gel. And I proceeded to use my Got To Be Glue gel in the black bottle. This is my fave, okay? I just put that on the first portion of the lace that I'm going to do, and I start with the middle part. Blow dry it, get it a little tacky or whatever, and then you know, press that lace in and get it all flush to my skin. So then you just want to proceed with both sides. Pause, because I just started using this Nairobi stuff. Girl, when I say this lace, some baby hairs, like y'all gotta get some of this. I don't know if they sell it in stores. I would try to go look for it, because I think it's more like professional grade. You can only get it at hair shows or professional stores or whatever if you a cosmetology student. But try to go look for this. Even you might can find it online. This stuff, some lace, girl, and it don't leave no crunchy, crispy. This stuff is the truth. I used a few mousses to lay some lace, and none have compared to this Nairobi stuff. I just had to stop the press with that. Y'all, this stuff. Anyway, I put some mousse on them baby hairs, swooped and duped them. Like this Nairobi this just got my life, okay? So you want to go ahead and put a wrap strip on. I let that wrap dry, air dry for the most part. I did put a blow dryer to it. This Nairobi stuff is really fast drying. Like it does not need a lot of time to dry down at all. And I feel like this really sealed the deal with my like melt or whatever. Let it sit, and girl, look at that magic. Look at that magic. Look at this foolishness. Like this is not even, this is just foolish. Like what I like to do is comb out my baby hair just to like get it uncrispy. You know, after you mold something down, you gotta comb it out and it just left my edges, my baby hair so nice and soft and just natural feeling, so just luscious, so everything. Yes girl, just yes honey, shook with a capital S. And then I took my Even edge control. I have been loving this edge control. I stocked up on Even. I got like a whole bunch of, girl, I got all the flavors. I got all the flavors. I got all the colors. I got some travel size ones and everything. I got these from the Bronner Brothers show as well. And I have been in love with my Even edge control, because this stuff, it gives you a hold, but it's not like a hard hold. It's like really just, I don't even know how to explain it, but it don't leave you stuck. It just leave you like a little bit free, but a little bit just like real suave. So you know what I'm saying, I went in and laid down my own baby hairs like around them ear tabs. I just love how natural that looks. Like it just makes everything like, oh, blend in together. So I just laid down my baby hair, my little ears or whatever, and that's it, girl. Like this lace, I can't get over this lace. Definitely, like I said before, one of the top. This is at the top, okay? Like this is, because with the pre-tint, like everything just looked super flawless. Like I didn't have to do anything. I did go in and pluck out my part just a little bit. That was just my preference, because I like a little wide part. I didn't have to do anything like with the lace. I didn't have to spray it. I didn't have to bleach it. I didn't have to do any more plucking. Everything about this lace was just absolutely perfect. Like no work to be done, no, just nothing. Like loving this wig, this texture, oh my god, so pretty. I did put a little bit of oil in it, my argan oil, just to give it some shine, but I love that it just dried like really big. wig and just, you know, gave me all the volume, all the body, all the bounce. Looks so natural. The curls feel so soft and so good. You can run your hands through these curls, like no joke. Run your hands through it, honey. Love this hair so much. This texture is just everything, and the fact that it is wet and wavy is just like, love it. You can go back and forth with this wig. You can straighten it out, you can wet it again, straighten it out, wet it again, and this curl will never ever expire. Okay, it don't have an expiration date. It's here to stay. Like, since they promised that, we're gonna do a quick little test on this whole, you know what I'm saying, straighten it out. We gonna see if this curl come back. We gonna see what it do. I have my tourmaline flat irons, y'all. These things go up to 455 degrees. Let me show y'all. 455. I have them all the way up on 455 because I really want to test the true wet and waviness of this hair texture. So that's what we're going to do. Okay then. Little silk. Ooh. So that's cute. Yes, honey. Oh, that is bomb. I love that texture. I love it. I love it. Now we're gonna go ahead and test it to see how good it curls back up, because they say you can, you know what I'm saying, wet and wavy. They say you can spray it and it's gonna bounce right back. So let's see how true that is. Oh no, okay. Oh wait, little baby bouncing back. She coming back. She coming back. She said give her a little time. That's how she coming. She coming through. Okay, I see you, Geniuswigs. I see you. Like, okay, I'm shook. I thought I was gonna have to like shampoo it to like really get it back, because I just straightened it, as y'all can see, on 455. That's really hot. I just did it. I didn't even give it hardly no time to cool down. And then I went and sprayed it with water and she's back like she never even left. Wet and wavy all summer, honey. I love it. I love it. Love this wig so much. Thank you so much, Geniuswigs, for sending me this genius of a wig. Okay, if y'all interested in Geniuswigs, make sure to click that link down below in the description box. All the information on this wig will be directly down below. Go and check it out, y'all. This is definitely, like I said, it's at the top. This is but yeah, that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching this slayage. I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace out.